Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you a simple video on how to do your eyebrows. You'll need a mirror, eye pencil, concealer in the color Cool Tan, concealer in the color of your foundation, kajal, which I didn't use, a spoolie, which has an angled brush, and then a just normal brush to clear out the concealer. So we'll just go ahead and start on the video. So I usually just start on balancing, using my eye pencil to just draw out the line on how I want my eyebrow to appear. And this would be how I would go about it. It's usually very simple and easy. You just need to angle it in the way that works for you. There are people who like thick eyebrows. There are people who like really simple, just small, neatly done eyebrows. And there are those who prefer dramatic eyebrows. For me, I don't know where I would what description I would use for my eyebrows, but it's really just what I feel works for my face and what really goes well with my makeup. So today I'm not going to do the full makeup. It's just the eyebrows to show you how simple and easy it is to achieve a clean brow look. So as you can see here, I've already finished highlighting how I'd like my brow to appear. I'm not really concerned about the edges or anything going over and above, because I know I'm going to use the concealer to conceal the parts that have like gone extra or that appear not to be balanced at the point where I was applying my eyebrows. So using my spool, I'll just go in and rub in to ensure that the eye pencil is well balanced from the beginning of the brow all the way to the end. This is important to do because it helps balance the makeup, because sometimes you'll find like, not the makeup, it helps balance whatever you're using now, the pencil. It kind of like helps to balance whatever you've used so that the brow looks a bit more clear and furnished for lack of a better word. Yeah, so then I'll just go on ahead with my concealer in the color Cool Tan and use this to clean the brows at the bottom part of my eyebrow. I'm now going in with my brush to just clean out the edges to ensure everything sits rightly in place. The good thing about using a concealer that's lighter than your foundation color is because it really clears out the area below your eye, between your eye and your brow, making it very clean and making it appear like a very well done brow. So you want to ensure that you use a color that is brighter than the color of your foundation or the color of your skin. Then I'll just go in with my other concealer. You can skip this part. I usually don't do this part when I'm doing full makeup because I will still use foundation on top of my brows, so I don't prefer going through this step. But because on this video I'm only doing eyebrows, that's why I decided to include this step. I usually just use a clean brush to brush out the inner areas of the brow, just to make it a bit more natural, as opposed to when it just looks like a block that has been drawn. So it really helps when you clear out the front parts of the brow. This video and you learned a thing or two about doing your brows. I hope you will join me next time as we continue discovering more and more and what we can do with makeup. Till next time, bye.